start. I'm so excited.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Hello and welcome to the first episode of Tea with Kathy. And today we have the multi-talented and gorgeous-looking Katie with us, and we are going to discuss about gender topics. So please welcome Katie in my show. Katie, hello, hi.
Hi. Thank you.
This is
That was so sweet, Prachi. I'm not multi-talented. The
You
only
are. And by the way, you all, Ketki owns a shop, a thrift shop. Okay? It's a small business. She's growing and growing. Lekin, please do support her. Okay? Buy clothes from her.
yes.
सस्ते में मिलते हैं. Hello.
Hannah and plus it's a plus size shop. Shop. Plus size shop.
Ooh.
Hmm.
Okay. So, Ketki, tell me,
Hmm.
how do you feel being in my show? The
I
first
feel
episode, the
I
first
feel
guest.
like the queen of the world. The day you called me, you're like, can you do a show with me? I'm like, oh my god, Prachi chose me. Oh wow. I was like, within a heartbeat, I was like, I don't even need to think. It's just yes, 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 yes. Like,
Great.
yeah.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
Ketki, how did you started your small business? Like, how did you came up with this idea?
So it came up as like I saw many people, see few from our batch as well. Like they were killing it. They started
Yeah,
their thrift shop, yeah,
I've
and
seen.
they were killing it. And I was like, but their size, you know, they are all M size, S size people. So plus people don't really have. Firstly, they don't have any options, and secondly, for the thrift portion also, they don't have thrift shops. So I was like, why not? And I was like, I'll make profit out of it, you know. Clothes are like one thing, like there are many things, like many clothes which we buy and then we wear it for like only once and then there is kept like it's kept like this. So I was like, why just why not just start and make money out of it? And plus then
Right.
there was you who you were so much excitement you showed me. I
I
was
know,
like,
right? I'm still excited.
and yeah, you showed me so much excitement. You were like, you should do it. And then there were my other friends, of course, who were like super in with it. So yeah, I started it, and no. Since I was a little kid, I have been this fat. So like, people were there. I was called names, but never. Even when I was a small kid, no, it never affected me. Never, 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 never. I never gave any importance to it. So it never affected my mental health. Never.
Ooh,
I always took it in a sporting way, or else like, I just didn't care. I
that's
didn't.
quite
I
low,
did. Even
Allah.
in school, I used to be like, I was a tomboy. I used to be with boys only. So you know how teasing boys are.
Yeah, right.
So yeah, so I became thick skin eventually, and it didn't matter,
Wow, brave girl, huh?
and it still doesn't. So
Great. But have you observed people with plus size and they are very insecure and it affects their mental health?
not even plus size. They are like not even plus. They are just medium size. But then they have this very weird confidence and personality problem, which I don't think why it is there. And I really try to motivate them and be like, just go out and be you. But then people can't. Many
Right.
people can't. So yeah, I don't know. I do find such people. One of my close friends, alright, she's pretty amazing, but then she would never post and she would never do anything because she thinks Instagram is toxic and all. Like, Instagram has affected people in believing that they are not perfect and you need to be a certain size, certain shape, and blah 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 just to be on Instagram. Which
Ketki,
hmm.
according to your observations, do you feel people are genuinely accepting the whole change, the whole talk of mental health, or is it just like faking it, like just for Instagram and for social media?
Hmm. There are some people who are faking it, and then some people are there who are just genuinely okay. Like, the people who are struggling to open up, are now opening up recently, and then they have more help. You just don't have to go and talk to, like, some people suffering from anxiety. They can't speak to anybody, or they can't just go and talk to.
Right.
So they find help in Instagram or on Instagram without like actually talking to you. People are more accepting, but then it also, like, on Instagram everything becomes a trend. So I sometimes also feel that people are like, just to go with the flow, you just say I have anxiety. But whereas a person who's been through it, a person who has dealt with anxiety, only knows what's behind it, and
Right.
like they would not fake it just for the sake of it.
Right. अगर आपने महसूस किया तो ही आपको पता है कि क्या हो रहा है, वरना you don't know what's happening.
You don't know. Then some
Then
people
there are some people that give you opinions on this कि नहीं ऐसे कर, and then
it doesn't help.
I
So,
know, right?
I know it doesn't help.
Right. Okay. So and then like recently lockdown happened, and recently नहीं, एक साल हो गया.
So yeah.
Actually 2 years, 2019.
No, 2020.
Okay,
What
the
no?
March 20.
March 20.
Right. So in this whole thing, what was the worst thing ever you faced, and what was the good thing
Being
you
inside.
you will remember?
Being with my family. Earlier, I used to not get to see my family people. My sister used to stay away. My mom, dad used to be busy. With the lockdown happening, I get to spend a lot of time with them, which I actually like. There are times when it gets bad. When all of a sudden all family members are at home, it gets bad. Fights are supposed to happen. Like, me and my sister fight all the time.
Uh,
But then also I have a lot of fun with her. Like last lockdown, if I don't know what I would have done if she was not there, because it was fun. So yeah,
But what is the one worst thing that you just want to delete it from your life during pandemic?
I uh, hmm, I faced a lot of identity crisis. I was like lost all the confidence that I had in me, and like I started doubting myself, self doubt. I used to be sad all the time, and then a lot of time was wasted. So if I could delete that whole wasting the time, I would have done that. Like what right now I'm doing, I'm utilizing all of my time and being busy all the time. If I would have done it earlier, if I would have realized it earlier, like, oh, this is wrong, and I would have done it earlier, it would have been great. But yeah.
Right. Okay. So, like, my next question to you is about social media. Like, the whole world is in social media. Everything is in social media, right? So, first question is, how long do you use social media?
How
Per
long?
day. Per day.
Per day, a lot. Once you start watching reels, you just don't stop. Yesterday itself, I
Oh
was
my.
supposed to go out somewhere at 4, and I was on my bed watching reels until 4:10. And I was like, oh shit, what do I do?
Yeah, reels are addictive, bro. Reels are addictive. And ऐसे मन भी कर देता है कि no, I want to make one.
Yeah, reels, and then social media ka one thing is very disturbing, that um, you can't ignore something. तुम्हारे फीड पे आ गया कुछ तो यू आर फोर्स टू सी इट इवन इफ इट इज ट्रिगरिंग, तो वो हो जाता है. I actually like social media. I like how you sit at home, and right now you are sitting at home, but still at the same time you are reaching out to so many people. You are carrying
Right.
businesses. Like the fact that it gives you so many opportunities and exposure to such a great amount of audience and people is amazing. I don't want
But
to speak
if you,
negative.
but you have to choose one. Is it a boon or a curse? Social media is a boon or a curse. Choose one.
I can't. Uh, I don't want to name it as a curse, but it gets toxic sometimes. Like, yeah.
Okay. Uh, from toxic,
Hmm.
I hear filter. Okay.
Hmm.
So, do you think filter are the new natural, or is it fading the natural?
It is fading the natural. I was thinking about this. the other day. Earlier, I was like this very person who used to not believe in filters and not use them. I used to not use filters. The only filters I used to use which made nature look prettier.
Okay.
But then now, once you get the habit of the filters, no, you start
Hmm.
hating your own skin, which is
Yeah.
very wrong, and you don't get clicked without the filters, which I
Yes.
don't like. Like you should be able to be okay with your own skin. So I've stopped using them again. But yeah, filters can
Even they
really.
are addictive.
Yeah, they are addictive. But then there are some filters जिसमें तुम्हारे होठ बड़े हो जाते हैं, आँख बड़े हो जाते हैं, and you look funny, no?
Oh
Those
yeah.
funny
Funny.
filters, I like them.
Yeah.
Makes you look weird.
But don't you think the pretty filters, the proper
Uh,
pretty filters, they make a insecure person look prettier and like they make a insecure person look prettier and then they feel happy. So filters
but
make you happy.
if you look at it in a very practical way, that
Hmm.
is basically momentary happiness.
Oh right,
It's going to be there for a very short time. You
right.
need to be okay with your own skin to be happy, really happy. Are you going to be with the filter in your real life as well?
No, of course not. Of
And
course
is Insta real life? No. What
no.
matters is to you that you believe in yourself, and for that, you need to work on yourself
Right. True. True. Very true.
to serve.
So are you a morning person or a night person?
Right?
Night. High
Earlier,
five.
high
High
five.
five.
Earlier, I was a morning person. I used to get up at 8 without alarm, and like, but now I don't.
Same. Same.
Now I go to sleep at 8.
Okay. So, Kiki, which is your favorite recent movie or series or web show or anything?
Wrong question. I don't know how to answer this. It just keeps changing. Series to keeps changing, but the
Yeah, but
one
the recent one.
recent one, the one that I like the most is Brooklyn Nine-Nine. It's amazing.
Ooh, I've
I
heard about it, but I've never.
Yeah, and like very recent Ginny and Georgia, good one.
Mm,
I like that. And movie, movie. I don't know. I don't have a specific movie.
okay.
Definitely, I
Best,
don't watch.
best
I
of
don't
all.
watch movies. I don't know.
Okay, again, high five.
High five. I'll watch series, but I don't know. There's something about movies I don't like. I'll watch rom-coms, but
Hmm.
like all rom-coms are the same.
Yeah,
कुछ
the
कुछ
high
होता है
school
मैं
history and
कुछ कुछ होता है is my favorite rom-com.
DDJL, कुछ कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी गम, all the Shahrukh films.
Yeah.
With थोड़ा सा
Talking
soft.
about Shahrukh films, yesterday I was listening to all old songs. Veer Dara songs I was listening to.
Oh, तेरे हाथ में.
No.
Then
Uh, मैं यहाँ हूँ
तू
यहाँ
यहाँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ यहाँ, तू वहाँ.
तू वहाँ मैं
वो ऐसे ही है, तू यहाँ मैं वहाँ. काश मिल पाते यार, but no.
सुन
So, this theaters get reopened. OTT industry का क्या reaction होगा? What do you think?
it would still keep flourishing, but the theater system it would also keep flourishing because uh, you can watch a movie at home, but वो theater वाला feel है ना, that is
Yes.
different.
But what is more comfortable or what is more your favorite? What would you prefer?
I have a
OTT
fear
or
of
theater?
theater, so I would prefer. I have a fear of theater, like the whole part where you sit in a black box with your phone switched off and cut off from the outside world. I just can't sit. So the last movie I watched in the theater was Simba.
Simba.
That was
Oh,
also I was forced to watch. That's why.
dude, Ranveer is so hot. Anyways,
So
I like
yeah.
Ranveer, dude. I like
But
Ranveer.
I would prefer sitting in my home in my pajamas, looking like a homeless person, and then watching in whatever position I can want. I can sit and watch.
Exactly. Also, have you watched Friends? High five.
I tried, but I was like, now people will kill me. Huh? But then I tried. I was like, इसमें क्या funny है?
Huh.
I
But
was
do not say this because people are gonna cancel you
yeah.
if you
People
say this.
say it is funny after the 5th season. You watch the first season, but how am I supposed to even go beyond the first season if it is that boring? The creators,
My
huh?
my question is now. My question is like, is do you think the OTT platforms or the shows, the new trending shows like Money Heist and The Office and many shows, pressurize someone to watch it? Like, it's
Yes.
a peer pressure thingy.
Peer pressure, yes. I watched Money Heist just because of peer pressure. I had no clue क्या है Money Heist, क्या है क्या नहीं, but उसको इतना hype मिला ना, it got so hyped up. सब
Right.
जगह पे everybody is talking. Berlin, Tokyo,
Tokyo. I don't
whatever.
remember the
I don't even
names.
remember the names because I just watched it for the sake of it. It's a good series though. Series is
Yeah.
amazing. But I watched it not because that is my genre. I don't watch that genre series. But I watched it because everybody around me was watching and talking about
Watching,
it.
right? So it is like a peer pressure thing. And do you feel it leads to FOMO
Ah, yes.
very much?
If you don't, you get a constant fear like, oh, some people will talk about it and then you sit there. मेरे को तो ये पता ही नहीं. You
Yeah,
don't want to
there
feel
is like
that.
you feel left out in a group of three. The two people are talking about the series, and you're like, "क्या करूं?"
That is some different fear you don't want to feel.
See, I know, right?
Yeah.
Now, the next question is: do you face any problems as a woman in anything, like in a dance competition or anything, in a college events or anything?
Honestly speaking, I've been the pretty bold one, so no. But there are places where I sometimes feel like, oh, in my building, okay, few days back, so there lives a guy, alright, like every society has a guy. But there are like two guys who are like friends who live like at two parts of the town. So
Hmm.
every night they come and meet and they roam around in chaddas and everything. But when I did the same thing, I was supposed to meet one of my guy friends. I was not allowed to. You know why? Because I'm a girl. So eventually you get like the society, like my mom and dad are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. They would allow me. But then I also had a thing like, what if these guys judge or the aunties of the society? What if they judge? So I have had that feeling.
And
But
people say just ignore them, but you just can't ignore
can't
the
ignore
words.
them, the talk and everything. And also, I remembered something. You asked me something about like the whole facing issues with your related to size. So whenever I go somewhere, no, if I go to a place where I have to eat, I do feel pressurized sometimes. Like if I want to get something like more quantity, I can't go there and stand up and ask for it because I think people will judge. Oh, she's fat. That's why she's eating more. Yeah, that has
No.
happened. That has happened. That has happened. But
No.
then now I don't care. If I want to eat it, I'll eat it.
Brave girl, your boy.
Yes. Yes.
My girl, you.
Yeah.
Okay, so my next question to you is:
Hmm.
do you feel this generation is missing out some emotions? Emotions like, pehle they used to meet jar ke piche and they used to have a romance thingy, but now it's like hookups and makeouts. So they are missing the
Connect,
emotion, the
emotional connect.
connection. Yeah, and then
Everything is
also
just out
not
and
only
about.
that thing, not only about that thing, but sitting together and eat and playing cards or anything. But now people are like, अरे एक ही दोस्त है उसको ही बुलाते हैं.
Ah, see, this is what like even when we were small, we used to have like a good group of friends,
Yeah.
and like how everybody used to play together. Now it is just reduced to like two friends and three friends, which is just not right, and it's become a trend, which is not okay. And like people are also very bitchy,
Yeah, very much.
very much, and like even if you are outgoing and talkative, you won't get the same response from the other person.
Right. But like, do you think this big ass group exists?
Honestly, nobody has that big ass group. Even if they have, there are problems inside their groups. I've seen this.
Yeah.
People with big groups have big problems.
Yeah,
And
but
then
then I feel people are missing out everything that they
we
used to.
are, we are, we are missing out on a lot. Like, just the fact that when if you are bored, you call up people and then you meet with them and then talk to them, play. That all is gone. That all is gone, and the innocent part. How do I say? I don't know how to put this.
There must be bitchy people back then. So, but still they used to meet. And they
Bitchy
used to.
people, like the people didn't have the intention to hurt anybody. There would be many bitchy people, but nobody really. How do I say? Everybody would stay along together.
Right.
Like I am a complete nobody. You are a complete nobody. But if you are my friend's friend, and she brings you with me, I would accommodate with you. I would talk to you. Nowadays, what happened? What I've seen. See, I don't live in Bombay. Okay, I live in a village. जहाँ पे everybody is everybody का friend. But when I came to Bombay, I realized that people stick to only the people who they know. And even if you are forced to be together, no, they will not talk to anybody. They will not mix up. They will not gel in, which is more like which was very weird पहले तो. And then but then later on I got used to it. थोड़े के लोग अलग है.
हाँ ना, ये कलयुग है, ऐसे ही लोग
अलग है.
हाँ ना. Okay, so this was the end of the talking session. Now we are playing a game. Okay, and this series is called as sweet and salty, like tea and biscuit, sweet and salty.
Tea and Monaco.
Yeah. So in this questions, in the first round, I will ask you the GK questions. Okay, be prepared.
I am bad at it. Don't ask me GK questions. If you ask me who is the president of India, don't ask me that question. I don't know. Please.
So the first question is,
I am scared.
full form of ATM. ATM.
Auto teller machine.
Wow, that's great. Okay, the second question. First person who invented vada pav. You like vada pav?
Yes, I like vada pav, but I don't know. You can put this in the video.
told you 4 दिन पहले, dude, call पे. तो अच्छा, तो मतलब you don't listen to my talks, okay?
अरे bro, I seriously don't know. Who was it? Who was it? Is it some guy? Yes, bro. I
Like
have
at this point, you just get 1 point till now. Okay, say.
No. There was some guy from where? Just tell me who invented.
Okay, it's Ashok Vaidya. Vaidya. I don't know, I'm mispronouncing it. Vaidya or Vaidya, something like that. So, Anyways, the next question. How many times does a person blink in a minute? Blink their eyes in a minute.
It's more than 100. More than 100, I know that.
More than 100 in a minute.
In a minute. More than 100. 150 के range में.
150K. You're wrong. It's 15 to 20 on an average. In a minute.
I told you I suck at GK, okay?
Never
मैं
mind.
क्या करूँ
Everybody
जान के?
does.
हाँ मैं supposed to notice. मैं क्या करूँ जान के? कि how many times that a person blink in a minute? I don't need to know this. Okay, but ठीक है.
Kirti, the last question. You get.
I want
Till
more.
now you have got only 1 point. But
I want more questions.
Okay.
Easier ones.
Yes, for GK you get 1. But now there's a last question. If you win, you will get 2 points. Okay? How many openings does a human have?
9.
9, okay.
Yeah.
9?
9.
Yeah, 9. Correct. Correct.
9.
So you get 2 points now.
Yeah.
Now the next round. Okay. The next round.
Yeah.
And in this round, it's kind of gossipy, weird, and random question ka round. Mix of all of them. Okay. Okay. So the first question is one good and bad thing about me.
Good thing you are a very good human. You are sweet and
Thank
you know you can make friends essay.
Thank you so much.
And
I don't know if that is true, but yeah.
And you are hardworking, very hardworking.
Thank you.
You just put yourself out there every day.
Just
and
one.
I see that.
Just one good thing, okay?
No, there are many. I could write a essay. Bad thing.
आज आज मौका मिला है, आज सब निकाल ले.
हाँ
आज मौका मिला है, आज सब बोल दे.
बोल देना. मैं सोच रही हूँ क्या. Bad things. You are a एकदम. You stick to your guts. If something is bound to happen that way, you are like ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. But you know that is good. Until and unless you have a same person like you around you.
So, is it you consider this as a bad thing for now? As of
I
now?
actually don't. That is not even a bad thing. Wait, I'll tell
Just
you
one
something.
bad thing, okay? Can I tell you one bad thing about you?
हाँ, please.
You cut my call randomly in the middle of the conversation, and that was the bad thing. And that was the rudest thing ever.
It's okay. होता है.
You can tell me a bad thing about me. I say कुछ भी.
Bad thing about you. मैं सोच रही हूँ क्या है इसका bad thing. The bad thing is the only thing that is coming to my mind is you ghost me sometimes. You are like एक week में फोन किया 5 दिन बाद प्राची गायब है. हमने कहाँ गई प्राची?
Oh my god. Okay, I
But
don't
then
like
it is
ghosts.
mutual, so I can't even say that it's only you.
So okay, I will take that. I will take that. I do this.
But it's good, you know. Even I do it, so
Never mind.
we'll be bad together. Bad bitches.
Yo. Okay, so the second question is, and you have to answer this question, okay? One guy who you have crush on from our batch.
Honestly,
No,
None.
what do you have to answer this?
I think he's good looking, ना इसीलिए.
Nice, but,
वैसे I don't know him. I don't even know him. हाँ, उसको सिर्फ देखा है.
he's not from our batch, but yeah, I will count.
चलेगा ना. You just have to beep it out. हाँ.
Yeah.
Bro, please.
Okay,
Please.
okay, okay, cool.
एक तो है भी नहीं कोई batch में. ठीक है.
Then the next question is, the most irritating person from our class.
Can you beep this out? मैं दूंगी answer.
Yeah, I'll beep it out. I knew it, bro. I knew it.
Just beep it out.
Sure, I'll beep it out. Okay.
I had the answer ready.
It's like pura Karan Johar vibes, but people don't know who these people are. It's like if we guys are having fun. Like it, okay. The next question is, if you were a fruit, what fruit it would be and why?
Mango.
Why?
Everybody would want to be.
Ooh, nice.
And then I would be juicy.
Juicy.
Bad.
Yeah. The next question is, one song that you want to dedicate to Dev Rayani.
तू ही तो है ख्याल मेरा. तू ही तो है कुमार मेरा. उसके आगे के लिरिक्स नहीं आते बट फीलिंग समझ में आता है. And that's it. And then वो song. Call me when you want. Call me when you need.
Ooh, that fucking song.
Call me in the morning. And
So-
that song and that guy's video. Bliss to my
Yes,
eyes.
yes. It's
Bliss
Shumesh,
to
right?
my eyes. Our eyes. Our eyes.
Never mind. Happens.
Hmm.
Now, the last round and the most funniest round, that is, you have to call someone from your house right now if you have somebody, and they or else you call somebody like not from our batch. It has to be from your family.
Hmm.
Them to say under bande chanda.
Can I call?
Yeah, you can. If you want, if you are comfortable, then yes.
No, I'll call. No, I'll call.
Okay. Under bande
Please.
chanda.
No, my friend. Is it okay if I call one of my friends?
Yeah. Works.
She'll ask me 10 questions first, but okay. Andaman what?
Chand.
Chandu.
Yeah, I can.
Bro, listen. So you are on a show, all right? You are being interviewed, right? I am being interviewed right now, and I'm being given a dare. Can you repeat after me whatever I say? 1 minute. So you are supposed to say Andaman Chand.
Andabanda Chand.
Andabanda Chanda. Okay, bye.
The end of the whole interview thingy. Thank you so much, Ketki, for joining me. I love you. This was so
Love you
amazing.
too, bro. Thank you for having me as your guest. I was like so excited for this ever since yesterday. I was like, oh my god, when am I? And the thing that you chose me for this interview, I was very happy. Thank you for choosing me.
Every person, how could I just not?
Trust me, I had been working for
Thank
this.
you for spending time with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I'll send you
Prachi.
the hamper via courier. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Until then, bye bye.
Bye. We love you.
Bye. We love you, mother.